When you think about carrying case solutions, this is what comes to mind. It's time to think outside of the box. Imagine a world with no restraints, no boundaries, no limits. A world where you don't have to fit your non-standard product into a standard case. The shell case world. In our world, we start by studying your needs. What's the product for? What are the technical requirements? And how do we make it functional and ergonomic for your users? And how do we fully implement your brand? With decades of combined experience, we provide innovative and creative solutions so you can choose the design that best suits your product and application. Our expert engineers use various technologies like thermoforming, plastic injection, vacuum forming, or blow molding to make your case as light, functional, and durable as possible. Once a prototype is made, we put it under a series of tests in order to verify that it meets all your requirements to the highest degree. Shellcase incorporates sophisticated manufacturing technologies, unique material knowledge, in-house production, and uncompromising quality control. We believe your carrying case should serve as an extension of your product, your reputation, and brand. We've got you covered. Shellcase, your perfect carrying solution.